welcome and welcome back to this channel. Today's lesson is about 받침. So what is 받침? So 받침 is an ending consonant. Ending or final consonant of a syllable. All the consonant letters except sang, di귿, sang, pi읍, and sang, jiët. Okay, sang, jiët. So here are the consonant letters and the sound vowel will be written here. And some examples and their memorization. So first three consonant letters are kiok, sang, kiok, and kiek. So the sound value is K. And for example for kiok is ak. Okay, ak. So for sang kiok is this one, and it reads also. So the last one is kiek. Okay, kiek. So this one is still reads ak. Okay, the romanization, they are all sounds ak. Okay, ak. All K sound. So our next consonant letter is nian. Sound value is N. Okay, for example, this syllable or this single word is an. Okay, the romanization is like this, an. So the sound is N. Okay, so the next letter is real. Sound value is L as 받침, so the sound value is L. So example, this word il. Okay, il. So here is the romanization. So next is miam. Okay, miam. So the sound value for miam is M. So for example, the word or syllable im. Okay, one syllable im. So the romanization is this one, so M sound. So the next consonant letter is pi읍 and pi읍. So the sound value for these two consonant letters is P. So for example, for pi읍 is ip. Okay, and for pi읍 is up. Okay, up. So here are the romanization, ip and up. Okay, up. So the next are ti귿 and tiët. So the sound value for these consonant letters, two consonant letters is T. So examples for ti귿 is at. Okay, at. And for tiët is cut. So the romanization is at and cut. Okay, cut. T sound. Okay, T sound, the P sound, and the K sound. So this is sang, siët. The next are sang, siët, and siët. So the sound value is T. For examples, for siët is ot. And for sang, siët is it. Okay, it. So for the romanization is ut and it. Okay, it, the T sound. So our next two consonant letters is tiët and tiët. So the sound value is also T. Example for tiët is ot. Okay, ot. For tiët is kut. Kut is flower. So the romanization will be like this, ot and kkot, kot. So, the 받침 sound for these letters are T sound. And for the last one, for hit also, the sound value is T. So let's see, for example is this word, neotda, okay, neotda. Neotda, it means to put. So the hit sound, the hit here is 받침, so the sound is T. So the romanization is neotda, okay, neotda. T sound as 받침 or the ending consonant. So another example is jeotda, okay. jeotda is to be good or to be nice, okay. jeotda, jeotda. So the romanization is jeotda. The letter hit is sounds T sound, okay. So this one and this, so T sound. So these 7 consonant letters, they're all sound T for 받침. So T sound, okay, T sound. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell. See you next time. 감사합니다.